Hello world. Today I am going to do another unboxing. I'm 31 weeks pregnant today and I'm getting ready to go do my first prenatal massage, which I'm super excited about. I've literally been saving up for this for a while. Every month something has to come up where I need to spend my little extra money that I've saved. So I'm pretty excited to go do that today. But a couple days ago, well, actually, I got this in the mail a long time ago, but we just went back home to visit our friends, and all of this went to our mail back home. So I'm just now finally opening it. I did the BabyLists baby registry, which is super nice and convenient because it will help your friends and family price things from different places. So I know that a lot of the things I registered for are sold at Amazon, Walmart, Target, wherever. And BabyList will actually show all of the prices from all of those different places. So if someone is considering buying you a gift on Amazon, it'll tell them right there that it's cheaper at Walmart or at Target or, vice versa. And I thought that was really cool because I'm a penny pincher and I hate it when people overpay for anything ever. So this box was free. I did have to pay shipping, which was $5. But I now have $5 worth of credit on BabyLists.com, so I can get $5 worth of merchandise. So I did have to pay for shipping, but that was it. And they sent me this right after I started my registry. And, of course, that's what it looks like. We open it up, and it says, "Parenthood is a trip. We're thrilled to take the ride with you." It's wrapped in paper. So this says, "Start your journey, build a registry as unique as you." And it kind of just talks a little bit about features of different things. Just a little pamphlet talking about kind of reviewing some products a little bit, I guess. Okay, so this looks like a little baby washcloth. A little Burt's Bees baby washcloth. Very soft, very cute. I don't have any washcloths yet. It's got a coupon in the package as well. Free $10 when you spend $25 or more at burtsbeesbabies.com with promo code here. I didn't know that Burt's Bees had a baby line, which is pretty sweet. I'm definitely primarily using Young Living for my little one. Obviously, you never know, your baby could hate any product under the sun, so that's not for sure, but I definitely want to go the natural route with my kiddos, at least in the beginning, when they're still really sensitive to everything because they've been protected. This is a bottle, and it is MAM. M-A-M. I don't think I have this one yet. That's definitely one of my favorite things about getting these free boxes. I have a lot of friends that are moms or just parents in general. My buddy, I know he bought tons of bottles for his baby girl. Some babies are so picky with bottles, and you end up buying tons and tons and tons of different kinds of bottles, tons of trips to the store, and tons of stuff that you're not ever going to use again because your baby won't take it. Maybe if you have a second one, they'll like it, but how long are you going to have to store that for and all of that stuff. So I am thrilled that I have all of these different types of bottles to try that I've gotten completely for free. just from my registry boxes. That's super awesome. Oh, and speaking of which, the next thing in the box is a pacifier. Pacifiers are the same thing. This one is Avent. I might already have an Avent one, but to tell you the truth, this one looks a little bit different. Pacifiers are another things that babies, they have the one that they like, and you gotta sit there and figure it out. This Passy also, on the back, it has a little thing that explains all the different types of pacifiers that they have. So I would bet that previously I've gotten a different type of pacifier from the same company. And then a $1.50 coupon on any 2 Philips Avent pacifiers. So if I try all the ones that I got for free and baby still hates them all, I can go buy more with a little discount. So that's pretty sweet. The next thing, I think that this is the same kind of thing I got before, a little Pampers container, which, to tell you the truth, I'm super excited about all these silly little zip-up bags because in the past, you know, when I've babysat for friends and stuff, diaper bags are a mess. And if I can kind of allocate a purpose to each one of these little bags and have, like, just medicine in this one, or, you know, use it to kind of organize my diaper bag, I definitely am going to try to do that. And I think that they're the perfect size to do that. So I'm pretty excited about this, even though it's a duplicate. This Pampers container actually came with a little book of coupons for wipes and laundry detergent and dish detergent and diapers and all kinds of stuff. That is really cool. And then just a little bit of information about the Pampers subscription you can do. Another little sample of laundry detergent, which is great because I'm getting to where I'll probably have enough clothes soon. I've been getting gifts in the mail from family that lives far away. So pretty soon here, I think I'm going to have enough clothes to actually wash a load of baby clothes. And then also in this little thing, just a single diaper and a little 6-pack of wipes. Okay, pack that back up. Okay. Okay, I feel like this is a company I haven't heard of before. Noodle and Boo. This is a little 2-in-1 body wash, which, like I said, I think I'm pretty set on the products I want to use. That doesn't necessarily mean that baby will like them. But I love the idea of having these little samples to keep at grandma's house, to keep in a travel bag, to keep around in random places, because with as forgetful as I am while I'm pregnant, I don't even want to know how forgetful I'm going to be once baby is out, and forgetting stuff is the worst. It really is. So I'm really excited to have all those little things, of course, to try and to keep around in case I forget whatever stuff I initially planned on using. So that's all of the items in this box, but in the bottom here, there is more coupons. This is Boob Ease nipple cream, which is really cool. I've heard that with nipple creams as well, if baby hates it, you have to stop using it. You have to change your brand. So this is a little sample pack to try, and a coupon as well. And then I think that this is just information. I don't This is a ton of information on different types of bottles. Okay, and here is coupons. Save $3 on Playtex bottles, $2 on Playtex sippy cups when they get a little bit bigger. Just a lot of great coupons in this box. That's so helpful because my baby shower is going to be next week. And after my shower, I'm kind of gonna just do some inventory of what I already have and go pick up some things that I might need. I actually, due to a comment that one of my viewers left, I'm actually gonna start packing these. I said in an earlier video that I put these in little Ziploc bags and just kind of keep them out of the way until I need them. But check the expiration dates. If you're trying to do the same thing I'm doing here, check the expiration dates, because if you have a whole Ziploc bag full of expired coupons, they've done you no good. So if you can go out and use them before they expire, obviously that would be better. These all expire in 2019, so right after my shower, if I'm like, well, I've got all these coupons for all this stuff that I didn't get anything like that, then I'm definitely going to go use them. And more savings. Babies are spendy. I'm really excited to have all of this stuff for cheaper. So again, that was the BabyLists registry box that I got for free. Just pay shipping. If you have any questions on, oh, and I forgot one thing. They also send you this little pack, which, like I said, this was all sent to an address that I don't currently live at. This is, it looks like probably 20 little cards for you to stick into your baby shower invites. Obviously, my baby shower is next week, so unfortunately I didn't get to use these. But it's really cool that they send them ahead of time, and it's something you don't even have to worry about or think about. I ordered my baby shower invites from Etsy, so I just had them add a line on there saying where I was registered. So it's not a huge deal, but it's really nice that they send these for you so that you don't have to worry about it or think about it. I think that's all I've got. Have a good day.